Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review today analyzing StoryShots, a tool that just arrived on AppSumo and claims to get quick summaries of best-selling nonfiction books in multiple media formats and language. I have just bought it and I have downloaded the app as well and tried the desktop version. And I think they have a pretty cool source of knowledge that helps you to get to know the best books in different kinds of categories. And also, the price is really good. You get it for $39, the lifetime deal. So it's a book summary tool that's an alternative to Blinkist and Get Abstract. You're going to use it to get to know about new books and have insights using audiobooks, video books, or reading the summary of the books that you want. Instead of reading all uh, the book, you're gonna get the main insights. The tool costs only $39. All current and future books. You get PDF and Kindle support, multilingual content as well. And I think the first doubt that people had here is like their library, which kind of books that they have, and I'm gonna show you right now. So here is the tool. You can use it from the app or you can use it in the desktop. So just go to Get StoryShot, click on books, and you're gonna see the categories. You can select, try to search a book. You can see the new books that they have, clicking here on new, or you can select by categories. So the new ones they have, they are having many updates. You can see 3 books at least per month, 4 books at least per month. November they had 3. Okay, so the last one, how to win friends and influence people, the 80-20 principle, that frog summary, psycho cybernetics summary, a men are from Mars and woman from Venus summary, and so on. So let's see the categories that you have: biography, business, career, creativity, dating, entrepreneurship, health, leadership, investing, history, management, marketing, personal growth, philosophy, politics, psychology, productivity, relationships, sales, science, sexuality, spirituality, and religion. So let's say you want to read a marketing book, but you don't have time, so you're gonna search for the summary. This one has a nice name, Sell Like Crazy. So let's click here, and I'm gonna see the kind of content that you're gonna get. You can see the summary here, all the content that you're gonna get. And here is the text. They have some links as well. And here you have the audio related to the book summary. So you can read or you can listen to the audio, the whole one or by parts. Let's see if they are all the same. The same here. As you can see, the summary and the audio. You can change the language. Here are the languages: Portuguese, English, Portuguese, Spanish, Japan, Deutsch, French. Those are the languages that they have. All the books are translated by those languages. Let's see one that is new. Eat That Frog summary. So you can see the audio here and all the texts with reference. For the best experience, of course, you can use the app on Android or iOS, or use the desktop version. Okay, and in the end, you're gonna see the related book summaries, where you can find books that they already have, like that. I think it's a great source of knowledge for $39. They are gonna keep adding new books. They have different categories, not only marketing, not only entrepreneurship. They have psychology, politics. So it can be a good Blinkist alternative. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.